Hey, what's up, guys? This is Perlassus. I'm going to give you a quick way to get your server started for Life is Feudal. It's a new game and not much out there on content on how to get this started. So real quick, I want you to go to and buy the game, download the dedicated server in the server tools in Steam, and what you'll do is you'll get a folder here. This is your folder. There's some stuff here. So first thing to do is go out and install the Maria database, and it's going to look something like this. Go ahead and Google this, MariaDB 5.5. Do not install the 10.0. You want to look for the Windows version if you have Windows. Run that, make a password, go ahead and go to here, go and click this, put your password in, put that away. That's going to start. Sorry, I'm going so fast, I don't have time here. Go to this folder right here. Right here is a file. Open this. Mine looks different because what I did is I merged it. I'll show you the other version later. So pause your screen if you want to look at this, or I'll put it in the comments later. Okay, that's all you need there. Close that window. Go ahead and go back to start. And what you're going to do is go ahead and go to this application, this Heidi SQL thing. Go ahead and put your password in here again. You're going to see MySQL, but what I did is I created another database called LIF. And what you would see is basically this. And go ahead and right click and create new database. Call it LIF or whatever you want. Make sure it says UTF-8 General CI. Hit OK. Make sure you refresh if you're looking for it. Go ahead and just minimize this for now. Okay, go ahead and go to the docs folder. You're going to go in and look. This is the original, right? So one thing I changed was the database name here for the default. You can do that too, or do that too. And this is what I merged from the other one to the other one. Go ahead and open this local config here. Go ahead and look at this. This is your username and password. I've changed this already. This is my username. Now I've created a user. What I did is I created a user for the database instead of using root. So you can use root, or you can click here and you can add, make a new user. Make sure you use global privileges. Okay. Okay, so that's that. Once you've done that, save that. Right click, copy that in here. Okay, just like I have here. Next thing you do is go to SQL, open this up, copy all this. And here's the thing that I think people are having issues with. Click on query when you're in your database. This is not, mine would say something else, not MySQL. So mine would be the actual LIF one, right? So while you're in here, go to query, paste all this in here. Do not hit run yet. Hit this little arrow down here. Change from send queries to send batch in one go. Then run this. You shouldn't have any errors. If you do, then something happened. Delete the database, redo it. I've had to delete the database 3 times now and then switch to a different way to get this to work. That's all you need to do there. That is run. That creates all your tables. Now I'm using FireDaemon. You can use a batch file, but I point it to my executable, and my parameters are a world ID 1. Now go into your config, and then in your config you'll see a world.1. Right click, edit that. I'm not going to show you, but it's basically your kind of server config. Okay, there's logs files once you get stuff started. Look at those for errors. And that's really it. I'm going to post some comments below, but I just want to do a quick video of how to get this started. I know people are having issues, and I couldn't find much help. You have to kind of be a SQL/IT guy in order to figure this stuff out, but it wasn't too bad, but it was a challenge. So thank you, and I'll check you guys later.